I'm Shane White, and this is The Process.
Hey gang, Shane Patrick White here with another edition of The Process. On today's Developer's Diary, I'm getting close to finishing this project. This is the last page. Spoiler alert. Actually, not really. The spoiler alert came the page previous. However, it's getting close to the end and I'm feeling sore, kind of beat up. Actually, as you can see, I've had to tape my brush because it's hurting my finger, and you can see this nodule on my finger. It's kind of disgusting. But that's what happens when you ink. And this is not even me pressing down that hard. It's just inking for 6, 7, 8 hours on end. So I'd switch up between this brush hold and this one, which helps, but even the bone in my thumb and the knuckle started to get really sore. So I was taking anti-inflammatories and CBD oil and all that stuff. Do that to keep the point on the tip. So, yes. So once I finish inking this, I will scan it in, or clean it up, scan it in, and send it off to the colorist, and I'll be done. Except I'll probably do a cover. Usually when I do a project, if I'm not the one doing the cover, I will do a nice cover, give me a chance to do an illustration, sort of my dessert, if you will, to the whole project, which I can sort of recreate my version of what I think the cover could be. And then that way on my website, I'll have this cover, and then you'll see just the 10 pages of inked art or whatever. So that'll be fun. But I'll probably take a little while off just so I can give my hand a break. But in the meantime, that's really it. I don't have a lot going on. You can see this blue thing creeping into the frame. It's actually tape that I'm using to hold this sound thing together. Don't worry about it. There's nothing to see here. Anyway, so hopefully you enjoyed some of this process video that I've been sharing. And if you have any questions about it, let me know. In the meantime, as always, thanks for watching. And I don't know if this will be the last video, or maybe I'll do another video about doing the cover, but we'll see. It's to be seen. Until then, thanks for watching, as always, and we'll see you next time. Take care.